to get fast shipping on Pandabuy? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get fast shipping on your Pandabuy account. So first of all, just open your preferred browser, and after that on the search bar just simply search for pandabuy.com and you will be landed to the official website of Pandabuy. And now in order to get fast shipping on the orders that you have purchased on your Pandabuy account, you need to contact to the customer support center team of the Pandabuy account that you are using. So in order to reach out to them, just simply go to the right hand side of the menu screen, and over there you will be able to see the option called customer support, the chat version. Just simply click on it, and over here the chat bot will open up to you. So just simply click on message section from the middle, and after that just simply click on send us a message. And over here just start talking to the chatbot and explain them that you want your product to be delivered faster, and for that you want your shipping process to make faster for you. And after that the Pandabuy support team will reach out to you and help you out regarding making your shipping process faster so that you can receive your parcel quickly. So this is the only way that actually really works, because I also use this method quite often, and this method seems to work fine for me. So you can try that as well, and the Pandabuy support team will definitely help you in order to make your shipping process faster. So this is basically how you will be able to get fast shipping on Pandabuy. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.